Alright, YouTube. This is my 95 Cummins. It's got almost 313,000 miles on it. It's been a great truck. I really have had no complaints about it up to this point. It's always been a strong puller. The only thing I've done to it was a upgraded exhaust system, a K&N filter, and I run synthetic fluids on it, but it's been a great truck. Lately, however, the last year or so, I've noticed that the idle's just gotten rougher and rougher, and the power's kind of tapered off compared to what it's always been. So started doing some research online and asking around, and found that a lot of people had been able to fix this complaint by replacing the overflow valve, the valve that keeps the fuel pressure constant coming from the lift pump. This truck also has a new lift pump in it, so lift pump and filter didn't fix this. So I'm hoping that that overflow valve is what is going on. So I thought I'd do this video before. I'll change that out, and then we'll do a video afterwards and see if we can demonstrate the difference. I was going to order an overflow valve from Cummins, but they want about $280 for one of those. Started looking online for a different option and found Tork Technology, and he's got a great website. Talks a lot about the faults in the the Cummins fuel systems. Talks about how to fix those, and this valve that he has for about $46. Sounds like the way they've designed it, it overcomes a lot of the flaws and a lot of the problems with the stock one. So we're going to install that and see if we can see a difference, or if we can demonstrate a difference. I'm going to start this up. It's kind of hard with a video to really demonstrate the stuff that you feel as kind of the seat of the pants experience, but we'll try. So we're going to start it up here. And so right there is where it idles. It's about halfway between the first and second mark. You notice the shifter, it's hard to be too steady. But you can see it shakes more than it ever has. And I have a box sitting here to demonstrate. You can see how much the box kind of jiggles. See if we can get a little more solid here. Okay, well, that's not working. Anyway, and you can hear, if you listen close, you can hear the dashboard vibrating. So these are all things that it hadn't done before it started to run rough. So we'll see.